Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss video 6 of the PHP interview real interview questions. So the first question, this video is based on the session cookies and caching in PHP. So what is difference between the session and cookie? This question has been asked 8 times out of 41 real interview questions. So session stored on server for logged in users, expires when browser close, security more secure, size no fixed limit, and access $session key. So this is also used for the non-logged in user as well as the logged in users. So this is session. Now comes to cookie, stored on browser for all users including guests, expires set by expiry time, security less secure, size max 4 KB, access $cookie key. So session and cookie code example. Session start, set session, $session user equal to John, get session, echo $session users, destroy session, session underscore destroy. Cookie, set cookie 1 hour, set cookie user John, time plus 3600. Get cookie, echo cookie user, delete cookie, set cookie user, time minus 3600. What is caching and why do we use it? So this is the second question and this question has been asked 6 times. So what is caching and why do we use it? Speed. Avoid repeating slow database queries. Return pre-stored result instantly. Less database load. Fewer queries, less pressure on your database server. Save cost. Less server CPU used. Reduced infrastructure cost. Better UX. Faster page loads, happier users and better SEO. So type of caching in PHP, opcode cache, opcode built in PHP 7 plus, caches compiled, PHP bytecode, no need to parse .php files on every request, file cache, JSON HTML files, stored rendered page or query results as files on disk, memory cache, Redis memcached, ultra fast key values stored in RAM, best for large scale apps. DB cache, MySQL query cache, save result of heavy SQL queries, avoids repeated computation. Third question is what is Redis and how it is different from memcached. So this question has been asked 5 times out of 41 in 41 companies interview question. So what is Redis and how it is different from memcached? So feature Redis memcache. So data type Redis string list set hashes. Memcache strings only. Persistence Redis yes save or to disk. Memcached no RAM only. Pub sub Redis supported. Memcached not supported. Speed Redis very fast. Memcached slightly faster for simple. Feature use case session queues leaderboards. Memcache simple key value caching. So use Redis when you need persistence, data structure or PubSub. Use Memcache for simple fast caching. Caching file cache code example. So cache file equal to cache slash data.json. Check if the cache exists and it less than 1 hour old. So if file exists cache file and then time minus file time $cache file is less than 3600. $data equal to JSON decode. File get contents cache file true. Echo from cache. Else fetch fresh data from DB. $data equal to get expensive data. Save to the cache file. File put contents cache file JSON encode data and echo fresh data. Question number 4. What is opcache in PHP? This question has been asked 4 times. So opcache, opcode cache, PHP compiles your .php files into the bytecode every request. Opcache saves this compiled code in memory, so PHP skips the compile step on next request. Without opcache, request parse.php, compile and execute. With opcache, request load from memory and execute. So enable in php.ini, opcache enable equal to 1, opcache memory consumption 1 to 8, and opcache max accelerated file 10,000. So the quick summary of this interview session: store data on server for logged in users as well as the non-logged in user access via the $session. Cookie stores data on browser for all users access via $cookie. Max is 4 KB. Cache avoids repeated work, speed up app, reduce DB load. File cache stored results as JSON HTML files on disk, simple and effective. Redis RAM based cache support data type persistent and PubSub. Opcache cache compiled PHP bytecode, skip parse and compile on every request. So this was the video 6. So in video 7 I will share PHP security, CSRF, XSS and SQL injection. So till then, bye.